What's good? You already know what time it is. I hope you guys having a good day. Oh, squirrel. There's a squirrel right now on the roof of my house. That's crazy. Okay, anyway, so you know what I got for you. I got another custom for you. And this one, I don't even know what I'm really about to be doing. It's on this same shoe that I put the vinyl, the heat transfer. If you saw that video, if you didn't, go ahead and check it out. Do whatever you want. I just want to put a little design on these. Just do something. They look like they need just a little bit. Just a little something. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to show you how to do it. Maybe you like it. Maybe you don't. Maybe you subscribe. Who's to say? Either way, I'm gonna make this video. So yeah, all you need is some paintbrushes and some Black Angeles paint. Let's get into it. This came out a little bit spicy, Look at that. There we go. Just a little bit of an abstract design. Just something simple, okay? Minimalistic. Gotta keep it light. I think it came out pretty good. That's that. Now it's time to do the other shoe. Also, just my preference. I really like shoes when they have a little bit of a mismatch. So when you're walking, this side's gonna have designs, right? Bam. But then on this side, no designs. Just little things I be doing. Just little things. Food for thought. Hope you hungry. That's it. That's all I got for you. This one was short and sweet. Really nothing crazy at all, but I like making these videos. If I'm gonna be customizing a shoe, might as well do it anyways, right? Get two birds stoned at once. That's right. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope it wasn't something you saw already, at least exactly the same, so you can at least take something away from this. That's always the goal, just to be able to help somebody out and maybe just entertain them a little bit with, maybe it's the art for them. Maybe it's the, who knows? Why would anyone watch me? Alright, that's it. That's all I got for you. I'll see you next time.